Hello, my name is Mark Andrews, and we're at the ISE show here in Amsterdam with Mobile Viewpoint to show some of our AI-driven automated studio production systems. In this case, we're showing VPilot, and what we have here is some cameras, but without the need for camera production or a director. It's a low-cost, effective way of basically running a studio and a group panel discussion, but without the need for resource behind it. So it has a variety of applications. Obviously here we're looking at a newsroom production, but it could be used on events or roundtable discussion, vloggers, bloggers, anyone that's looking for a low-cost production without the need for cameramen. So it's using artificial intelligence, and it uses three things. So here we have a camera and a 3D scanner on the top, and we're using audio. We detect the audio of the people talking in order to create the shot, but also it has sort of inbuilt automation, so it creates a director's cut as it goes along as well. So it can do overviews, we're able to include overlays, it has facial recognition functionality, and a whole host of functionality behind it to basically create an interesting shot and production of the news, but without the need for a camera team. So again, very low cost, using AI with Mobile Viewpoint. Now, if you're interested in learning more information about this, then please come to the website. It's mobileviewpoint.com, and we look forward to hearing from you. Many thanks.